Hi, my name is Claire McCullough, and I'm a senior at Wilton High School in Wilton, Connecticut, applying for the Cards Against Humanity Science Ambassador Scholarship. I want to talk a little bit about my history with science. Unlike a lot of other applicants, I wasn't actually passionate about science from the beginning. My mom worked in a hospital where I was constantly being dropped off and where I'd have to wait hours on end for her to finish her shift. So I was kind of averse to the hospital scene from the start. However, in 7th grade, I won a school-wide science award for my achievements in the classroom. It was at that point that I started realizing this is something that I really enjoy and might actually be good at. After that, I went in full swing, entering the science fair the next year and joining the Science Olympiad team at the middle school level. Since then, I have taken 2 years of honors science, 2 years of AP science, and been recognized as a National Academy of Future Physicians and Medical Scientist Scholar. I also had the opportunity to intern at a local ear, nose, and throat office and have been elected as the captain of my own high school's Science Olympiad team. Needless to say, I'm in love with science now, despite my humble beginnings. I want to discuss something that has interested me from the moment I first heard about it in my AP Bio class last year. During our genetics unit, I found out that there are on and off switches in our genome that can be affected by life choices we make, and ultimately that have the power to alter gene expression. Through watching countless videos online, I learned that this phenomenon falls under the category of epigenetics. Epigenetics refers to a set of chemical tags that sit down on top of our DNA and histones. Epigenetic tags can instruct whether to compact or decompact the chromatin beneath them, which can in turn affect how the cell reads the underlying genes encoded in the DNA. When the epigenetic tags condense the underlying genes, the cell is no longer able to read them, and the phenotypic traits they encode for can no longer be expressed. A lot of these epigenetic tags are formed during embryonic development and can be affected by the lifestyle decisions of an organism's mother. Take an example from a TED Talk. Rats contain a gene called the glucocorticoid receptor, which can be expressed in a certain region of the rat's brain. When it is expressed, it helps the rat cope with stressful situations. Studies have shown that interactions between a rat and his mother during the first week of life can have long-term consequences for how much glucocorticoid receptor the rat pups will have in their brain. If the mother licks and grooms her pups, giving them attention and good care, all epigenetic silencing marks can be removed from the gene, allowing the glucocorticoid receptor to turn back on so that the rats can grow up to be well-adjusted animals that can deal with stress. The opposite is also true when the mother ignores her pups. Overall, what makes the concept of epigenetics so profound is simply the fact that our own lifestyle choices can truly impact our biological composition and the well-being of future generations. The implications of this concept are enormous. It's inspiring and equally daunting to know that what we do in this life can impact generations to come.